Let's finish with one final power user feature, the agenda. The agenda lets you structure your presentation with a table of contents, divider slides, and breadcrumbs, which can all be updated in one click. In my presentation, I have this agenda that is repeated at the beginning of each section, helping users follow where we are, what we've seen already, and where we're going. I have 6 sections, so 6 pages like this. Now, if I don't have Power User, when I need to add a new section, I need to manually add the new section number and section name to my slide, realign every object, and update all the page numbers to reflect the new pages. I need to do this not just once, but once for every section, so 7 times. And as soon as we make another change, add or delete a slide, the page numbers will need to be updated again. I can easily waste 20 minutes each time. Instead, I'll use the Power User agenda. I'm going to add a new section, call it Executive Summary. Press Enter, then click on Update here at the bottom. And that's it. My table of content is updated everywhere perfectly. Power User updated all 7 pages, created section objects, and even added hyperlinks so I can click to navigate the presentation. I can also have breadcrumbs like this, showing on all my slides where we are in the presentation with a link back to the menu. All this automatically updated with just one click. Now, the agenda is highly customizable and should be adjusted to match your organization's visual identity. Since it can be a bit complicated to set up on your own, I recommend you simply contact us with an example of what you need if you want this for your team.